Are you wondering where the fuse box is located in the 2022 Ford Maverick, or how to read its fuse box diagram? In this guide, we'll answer these questions to help you easily locate and understand the fuse box for your Maverick. Under hood fuse box. The underhood fuse box in the 2022 Ford Maverick controls essential functions like the engine, headlights, and fuel pump. It protects these systems from electrical overloads and ensures smooth operation. Body control module, fuse box. The body control module fuse box in the 2022 Ford Maverick manages key electrical systems, including interior lighting, power windows, door locks, and other vehicle functions. It helps control and protect circuits by preventing overloads. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on 2023 Ford Maverick fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.